Alright, here's the aftermath of the mighty snow warrior. I'm gonna knock all this snow out of the rims, otherwise it'll really screw up your wheel balance. Alright, now let's do the Jetta on this side of the garage. And this car is actually wearing snow tires. They're downsized. Normally the car wears 17-inch lower profile wheels, but these are 16 inches with the equivalent tire size on Bridgestone Blizzak WS70s. How does the Jetta do? Let's see. See, all I ever do is play with cars that have dual clutch transmissions. I never actually drive a car with a regular automatic. I don't think I ever showed you guys this. See these two little lights here? These are like ambient lights. See my hands all red? Doesn't really work that great in the camera, but it looks cool at night. Anyway. Holy crap, you can tell this car has snow tires on it. So much easier than that stupid Focus. This is like night and day with the WS70s on it. Oh, here comes the snowplow. I'm having way too much fun. I should be used to this by now, since I've lived here all my life. The abominable snow Jetta. Alright, I'll shut up. Didn't even need ABS for that. Whee! There's some ABS action. Alright. Jetta's traction control isn't as aggressive as the Focus. I better wait, I'm not that stupid. Oh my god, the Jetta just walked away. The Focus, I was like traction control the whole way. I could barely even get it to move because I just had to bring one of my coworkers home. And he lives down that road, and I could barely move in the Focus. This is so much better. Snow tires are awesome. Alright. Now I'm gonna snowblow with a real snowblower instead of a Volkswagen Jetta. Ah! Oh, but I'll get out and show you the app to see what it looks like. It's probably all full of snow now. It looks all cool. Like I said in the last video, I don't want any mean comments. I'm just doing this to entertain you guys. So I definitely get a lot of haters. Not a lot, but enough. I just deleted their comments so nobody else sees them, but me. Alright. Alright, who wins? Kinda even. Snow swept. I gotta knock the snow out of those rims. Anyways, okay, there's my little fun snow adventures. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh, and for everybody still wondering about the frickin' Focus My Ford Touch update, I am still waiting for my USB thing from Ford. I promise you I will tell you as soon as I get it. Okay, that's it. Bye.